How to automate the boring parts of photography. The first step is to ask yourself, what extremely repetitive tasks do I spend a lot of time on that seem like they could be automated? If it feels like it can be automated, there's a good chance that it can. Let's take the example of adding your logo to your photographs. This can be easily automated in Photoshop using actions and batches. Start by opening the Actions panel and clicking the plus icon to create a new action. Click the record button, place your logo on the image, then save the image as your desired file type. Once done, stop the recording. You can now play back this action on any image to automate the logo placement process. The batch feature allows you to apply actions to a whole folder of images. Go to File, Automate, Batch. Choose the action you want to run. Select the source folder for your images and specify the destination folder for the processed images. Click OK, and Photoshop will apply the action to all of the images in your source folder. This process can be a huge time saver, especially when dealing with large volumes of photos. To automate the more complex parts of your workflow, Photoshop plugins can be incredibly powerful. The Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin is excellent for automating the creation of product mockups. Here's how to use it. Specify the Photoshop document, the input folder for your images, and the output folder for your mockups. With a single click, the plugin generates hundreds of mockup images. You can also set up and save multiple step operations, which is useful for creating different mockup images for each of your photos. This tool can save you countless hours of manual work, significantly enhancing your efficiency. The Social Media Toolkit plugin is another valuable resource. It helps you resize and format your photos for various social media platforms automatically. Instead of manually adjusting each image for different aspect ratios, this plugin does it all for you, ensuring your photos look perfect on every platform. This automation can save you a significant amount of time, allowing you to concentrate more time on photography and less time on tedious editing. The bottom line is this: the way that you spend your time is the way that you spend your life. If you find yourself spending large amounts of time doing boring work that you just don't enjoy, nobody has a gun to your head. You can automate the boring stuff and spend more time on what you like doing. This allows you to eliminate the parts of your work that you hate, and it also allows you to increase your personal income by spending more time on the actual work that gets you paid.